Ka Regional Committee Open Baitput waka Assam na West Giant Hills ni hapo iya kamat ucarman uwaman kamu sembut Menteri Rengba uwaman leu MLA Kanar tiang usngaw bahalang dhar ciruk baki MLA ukoming wan mbon unujor ki sungo udisi ke West Giant Hills ubi Solia wa USP ke distrik usi serti usi M ke JHADC utambor Siwan dehir ki chachnong Khanduli wo pai ya uput ke jela kamju yo wanra ye yesung. Ya ke Assam daya khamat da Montri ke Sorkar Assam Upiyush Hasarika, UMLA Urap Singh Tiron, ke DC wa USP ke West Karbi Anglong hei wa dia chem ki ha Khanduli. Hei ni ia chem da wan ki wakit kam chnong ke Khanduli wa uwahe chnong uyu shida nong spung, hei wa dia dor khat ki le haus nya bahalang dhar. Na Khanduli wan dalai pat ki ya itha wa em ka entry tax gate wa kamju uput khaddo nama u 0 point ka Khanduli hei wa de pentip wa ya kani ka entry tax gate da kendria wa MMD ko Khanduli hei kalam wa wi na ki wa he na ka jaj bro Karbi u welcome teran da ongu wa hei por wa man Montri Rengba u Captain W Sangma da ko wa ki wa wanra ya ka Khanduli kamju ka block 1 wa block 2 chami khalaya Wei wada ongo waki Pnar mendatit tau ki daya le ekot ki sajwai ite cha JHADC. Upi yush Hasarika da ongo wat ne da wan pai ya ka Khanduli kenang yo ye ura ya ka bui report cha ki ar sorkar jela wo ya kelam hajrong gani ka phang. Wei nei te ura ye ni ikam cha ka sorkar perdi dewa penrap waki Assam waki khasi ki Pnar man ki kam chi piyu. Da ongo le wam MD ikang ye ilai iwan ki pai ba ha perdi ki ar jaj bro. Upiyush da kentai yu wo ye ukhrong dan naki Pnar dewa penrap wa ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ye ko ukhrong dan du naki jaj bro Karbi. Da sengaw kumen ule wo ye upen bai smart no ya upodu ang wud ha perdi gini ki arjela. Usngaw bahalang dhar hawa kelam. Da sengaw kumen ule wo ye upen bai smart no ya upodu ang wud ha perdi gini ki arjela. Usngaw bahalang dhar hawa ya kelam wagi pathai khubor da ongu wa ni ilai chakani ka chnong to hajrong ikan at wa mi na du wa wan bo ya ka entry tax gate ka KAAC we wo em no ilai iwan wa lai loj hei wa de yo le ya chem wa ki arliang ki jaj bro chu da ongu wa ki Montri Rengba na ki arjela o ya chem ya kelam ki hajrong ini ikam kham tam hadin wa mi kani ka entry tax gate.
So, actually today visit as a committee of the regional committee from Meghalaya side. I think all of you are aware that because of this council gate was there and tension has come. And today we had visit both the committee from the Assam side and from the Meghalaya side. I mean to create the confidence of the people of this area, number one. And also we are request for peace. It should be free movement from now onward. There should be no grumbling like before. And the main agenda today is that we are very happy to hear and to listen and to hear all the voice and the suggestion, the advice from both sides of the peoples. And yes, I will receive from the country especially what are the demands and what are the views. So my duties as a chairman of the committee now, I will submit the report for inspection today to our honorable chief minister. And the same thing from the Assam, so they will do the same thing. And then when the committee at the state level of both the chief minister, so then they will take a call how to move forward. And like how Chairman from the Assam, as I mentioned just now, obviously we are doing, maybe the committee will decide, the official team will visit all the areas of defense from the particular village and we will take a view from the people who reside in that area. And then we'll take a call against.
Means as of now, I mean that entry gate of KAC have been
It's
removed.
not there. Now only police is there. Yes, it was there before. And when this tension come and they removed, police was there. Why you put police in order to maintain the law and order? And maybe the police will slowly we will remove it from that.
Okay, Mr. Rompi.
Not Rompi,
Sorry. Since you are from here, since 4 months now, the economic have been affected of both Karbi and Pnar. What is your say on this?
Now, because of now, I welcome to and congratulate to the Buddha government also to taking the necessary action for the economic solution for the Buddha border issue, the present issue. And also this is the first time to visit both side the government. Taking the decision will be taken by the government, also both side government. This is my end. Yes, okay.
ইফালে কান্দুলিত মিটিং কৰিলোঁ কোনোটো পোৱা নাই আমাৰ মাজত ভয় আছে আমি তাত যাব নোৱাৰোঁ কিব নোৱাৰোঁ এইবিলাক অলপ যদি ক'ৰবাত আছেও ডিছকাশ্যন নকৰিলে ভাল তেতিয়া মানুহ অপেনলি ফুৰিব পাৰিব No, there is no taxation. Police can take tax, but Karbi Autonomous Council has right to collect tax from Karbi Anglong people only. Not from Meghalaya people, they can take taxes, I believe. But they have right to collect tax from their people. But police can't collect tax, that is firm.
So how optimistic are you when it comes to?
I am very much optimistic because 50% already we have done. From Guwahati to Lampi, already we have done. Now rest 50% we have. I think I am very much optimistic it will be also done.
And is a referendum an option?
Not exactly referendum kind of, but will take the opinion of the people. Khasia people can come to Assam and Assamese people, Karbi people, Gurkha people can go to Meghalaya also. We shouldn't have problem. Amar majo problem thakibo nalage. Ami freely movement ami Meghalaya to koribo paribo lage, as well as Meghalaya people can freely movement to Assam also. That is my opinion. তেনেকুৱাটো কাজিয়া তেনেকুৱা হোৱা বুলি আজি কোনো কোৱা নাই, মাত্ৰ এটা আমাৰ পোষ্টৰ কথা কৈছে, পুলিচ পোষ্টটো এইটো এতিয়ালৈকে যিটো সীমা সমস্যা আছে, সীমা সমস্যা যিদিনে শেষ হৈ যাব সেইটো ক'ত থাকিব, অসমত আছে নে মেঘালয়ত আছে পৰিস্ফুট হ'ব। গতিকে আজি বহুত ডিটেইলছত নাযাওঁ, আজি প্ৰাৰম্ভিক পৰ্যায়ৰ আমি ভ্ৰমণ কৰিলোঁ, অতি সোনকালে আহিম ইয়াৰ স্থানীয় বাসিন্দাসকলৰ লগত মেপ চাই কথা পাতিম।
ইতিমধ্যে অসম মেঘালয় বৰ্ডাৰত আপোনাৰ বিয়পি আপোনাৰ 6টা আছে, 6টাকৈ বিয়পিৰ যিসকল জনসাধাৰণ আছে তেওঁলোকে এতিয়াও মানে সুখী হোৱা নাই, মানে তেওঁলোকে ভয় ভাৱ এটা আছে।
মানে ভয় ভাৱ থাকিবতো নালাগে, আজিতো মোক কোনো কোৱা নাই, আপোনালোকে বেছিকৈ শুনে যেন লাগে।
At that time, during the civilization of Captain Sharma, Lapang was the minister. They are demanding the wholesale transfer of Block 2 and Block 1. We went to Meghalaya Secretariat, we went to Lapang South, we went to Kemolong South, we talk. People live peacefully. It's not we who impose the blockade, it's there. You talk to your own people.
According to allegation that the Pnar people went to Batholang Show and they have this party field there, right? So they claim that you people you block them. And now when we talk to you, you said these people are blocking you. That's what I say. Ask the elders of the Karbi, have you initiated any meeting?
I think we had 2-3 meetings on this topic. Now the problem is all this area for the time being, after some time, we cannot guarantee. But for the time being, it is within the administrative jurisdiction of Karbi Autonomous Council. So what your people do, I can show you the evidence. They will acquire land from Karbi province. And just after acquiring the land, they would go to Jowai and procure another land document from Kyrriah District Council. So there is a conflict. We are saying that you come and cultivate your land. We'll help. But you must possess this land document from Kyrriah.
Thank you.